everybody, my name is Rebecca Grace from Rebecca Grace Designs, and I am the creator of the Encyclopedia of Code, which provides hundreds of copy and paste code snippets for Squarespace website designers to use on their clients' websites. Today we are going to be looking at adding Google Analytics 4 to your Squarespace site. So if you have already been using Google Analytics, you probably were using Universal Analytics and may have gotten an email that looks like this that says that Google Analytics 4 is sort of where they're going to and they're replacing the Universal Analytics. As of July 1st of 2023, you won't be able to use Universal Analytics at all anymore. They're just going to completely remove it. It won't be processing any new hits or data for your site. So it's super important for you to get the Google Analytics 4 property on your account and into Squarespace. So what you can do is just click the button in the email. It will take you to something like this. But if you didn't get this email, then you can just go to your Google Analytics account on the admin. So if you click admin here, and you're going to go to GA4 Setup Assist, and you'll get to that same screen. Once you're ready, you're going to click Get Started. Okay, and it's going to tell you that it's going to walk you all the way through. So click Create Property. And then you can click See Your GA4 Property. You can click through the tour if you like. And you can go to Data Streams. You'll see your property pop up here. Now this is your property ID. That's not the ID we want for Squarespace. So if you click on this, you see that you have a stream ID. That's just a string of numbers. That's not the ID we want for Squarespace. We want the measurement ID, which starts with a G. So it's G dash and then a bunch of numbers and letters. So you can click to copy that measurement ID and then go to your Squarespace site, go to Settings, Advanced, External API Keys, and you can put it in here. If you already have a UA number in there, you can put a comma and then put your new G4 ID after it so that it will use both because your universal data is still there, but it will now track on your new data will track on your G4 property. Okay, eventually your UA won't be collecting any new data, but for now just keep both of them in there so that both properties in Google Analytics is connected to your Squarespace. So just comma and your new ID and then click Save. Okay. It may take a little bit for you to see that data pop up in your analytics account. So give it a few days. If it's still not working, then go through and make sure that you've used the measurement ID, not the stream ID. Okay. And that's it. You now have a Google Analytics 4 property so that you're all safe and secure for when Universal Analytics stops working in July of 2023. As a bonus note, you may be using another program like Lead Pages or Kartra to have your sales pages and opt-in pages, and you want to be tracking the information from there as well. So in order to do that, you need some code that you can then put on that site. So in Squarespace, we have that handy little ID we can just pop in there. In other programs, you might not be able to have a spot to put your measurement ID, and so you need a bit of code that you're going to put in the header of that page. And you can find that right under the tagging instructions, so the global site tag. So you're going to click on that, copy this, and paste that into the header of your site. So again, if you're using like Shopify or Lead Pages or any other site, you're going to put this into the header of that page. And then it will also track the traffic you get to those pages as well onto the same property. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're on my blog, make sure you sign up for the freebie in the footer so you can be notified when a new tutorial is posted. Until then, that is how you connect Google Analytics 4 to your Squarespace website.